Hi everyone. Long time no see everyone. I hope everyone's been well. I definitely have a little busy, really busy actually. That's why it was really hard for me to find the time to film anything, to be honest. I've been meaning to turn on my camera and start vlogging and just start filming more because I still want to regularly film, but there's just so many things happened and I just couldn't find the time. Finally, everything's kind of like slowing down a little bit. I feel a little bit more comfortable filming and comfortable with my time. To summarize why I've been busy, Aiden just turned 1, so we threw a big birthday party for him. If you guys are not familiar, first birthday is pretty, I mean, it's special in every family, everywhere, but in Korea it's called Tor. And usually for the first birthday they throw a pretty big party. They do this thing called Torjabi, where you lay out like items that represent like careers or like how your life is going to turn out. It's just for fun, so we did that, and Aiden actually chose a gavel. Yeah, but I'll get more into that later. So that was a lot of planning. It almost felt like a freaking wedding. On top of the Aiden's birthday thing coming up, my husband opened a restaurant like literally a week before Aiden's birthday party. So I had to help a lot for that area for them too. So it was just every night I put Aiden to bed, I'm just staying up, not watching TV, not zoning out. I was just doing a lot of things, which in a way I really enjoyed. That I was very busy every day. At the same time, I'm like, oh my god, I'm like really stressed because I want to do it right, I want to do it well. There was just not enough time for everybody, not just me, everybody. But thankfully we had great people that helped us out for Aiden's birthday, Tong's grand opening, all that. It's currently 10:30. It feels a lot longer. My day was pretty long. I'm actually waiting for my cup noodles. They should be more than ready to eat. Yeah. Oh my gosh, that just hit the spot. So basically, I don't normally work in the evening, but they were very short staffed today, so I ended up joining and helping out, which is like the whole purpose of me working at Tong's restaurant, like learning the job, is because like being in that industry, like if somebody calls off in the morning, like on the morning of, or like even the day before, it's really hard to find someone to fill in that spot at a restaurant. Knowing the situation, I told my husband like, hey, like I want to learn everything, so if you guys have situations like this, I could just jump in. When I told Tong like, hey, I want to work and I'm okay being here, he's like, you don't have to work so much, it's okay, be with Aiden. I'm like, dude, this is my break. After raising a kid, I know it's only been a year, I feel like I could do a lot of things, and catering to some Karens I'm like, I'll do it. I'll happily do it because Aiden is like the biggest Karen of my life right now. So it can't be more difficult than that. So I tell Tong every day, I have so much fun working, so please don't make me stop. Anyways, yeah, I wanted to start vlogging tomorrow, but I just felt like turning it on tonight, just kind of get the vlog going, or just kind of get the flow in. So yeah, tomorrow I'm finally off. I'm gonna spend an entire day with Aiden. I'm probably gonna take him to like a playground, or I'm trying to find stuff that we could do. I like going to restaurants where it's baby friendly, where I feel comfortable taking Aiden. So I might do that, or just find a play. There's so many playgrounds. I might even go to like a cafe, kids cafe, but we'll see. Yeah, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night. Say good morning. Hi. Mr. Wakey Wakey. He just woke up from his nap. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Say hi. You say hi? What does he look like? I feel like he's a good mix of my husband and I. Anyways, you know what? Maybe we will head out. He had a pretty good breakfast, and I don't want to feed him too early if he's not even hungry. So yeah, I think we're gonna get ready and head out. We're just having a little snack before we head out. I think he likes this one. Oh, hello? I think he's slowly graduating from like super like infant treats, you know, like those really super bland ones. This one's a little bit of flavor. I also give him the Korean kid snacks as well. Those are pretty bland. I think they're rice-based as well. They're rice-based, and he likes those. There are days where he just it seems like he doesn't like it sometimes. It's not always like a go-to for us, but right now I'm not planning on giving him anything more than these right now for a long time. I know some people are completely okay with giving a little bit of more seasoned snacks like Cheetos or like what is it, like Goldfish and all that, but for me I think even that's too salty. I know I give him pretty seasoned meals, because if it's not, he won't eat much. And also 4 days out of the week he stays with my mom during lunch hours, like 3-4 hours, and my mom always gives him pretty healthy snacks. That's why I'm like, I feel a little bit more comfortable giving him like variety of foods, because knowing my mom, she's always giving him something super healthy. Hey, one more caca? You want more caca? You got more caca? Here you go. Let's see. You wanna just grab one? Look at him. Aiden, is that one?
It's the truth.
This outfit is from Old Navy, and it was $8 for the set. Our family has been pretty obsessed with going to Old Navy. It's so affordable, and honestly, like the quality is so much better than like H&M, Forever 21. We love it there. This entire set was $8. I got a shoe for $5 because they were doing this summer sale. Food court, and there are so many places, but I thought really cheesesteak is something that Aiden really didn't have before, and I got the wings for like $2 additional. Do you like it? It looks really good. No, Aiden. The chicken's good? I think he likes the chicken. These break up so easily, I love it. It's a little like crispy outside, but I don't know how to describe it. It's crunchy, but it breaks off really easy, and it's pretty easy for him to eat. Are you like spitting out everything? a healthy dinner, okay? Aiden, Mama, do you want more ketchup? Here, I put extra ketchup, okay? Why do you like spit on everything like? Do you want water? Mommy has your water. Mommy brought your water here. Ah, you were thirsty? Were you thirsty? Wow! You know where this goes? Red. Yep. Good job. Yay. Look. You know where this one fits? Yay.
Go round and round all day long.
Hello. We have been home for a little bit. So I'm trying to wean off of the like the baby bottle, like the nipple. So this green one is a sippy cup. This one is not. I've been trying to wean him off, but there are just some days like he just. Okay, you're spilling a lot. Oh, can you move over, please, Aiden? So I took the stroller to the mall because my plan was to take him to the Peppa Pig playground, and then it was around his bedtime, so or like his second nap time. So I thought, okay, if I keep walking around and him in the stroller, he'll like take a nap. But it passed his bedtime. He did a nap, but he was okay. So I was like, okay, well, if you don't want to sleep, you don't want to sleep. And out of nowhere, he just went psycho on me. He just started crying and he was screaming. So I was like, what's wrong? Did you poo? So I took him to the bathroom. I tried to change it. I changed him and no poo. Like, okay, are you hungry? Maybe the lunch wasn't enough. Nope, that wasn't it either. Like the stroller never failed on me. He always fell asleep. But that's why I was just like, he can't be sleepy then, right? Because he always sleeps on the stroller. So I was just kind of like freaking out because I still had to like buy some stuff. And he started just screaming and to the point where like people were just like kind of like looking at me. So I took him to just one area where there were just couches, like no stores were there, and he was just screaming. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna just give you my phone and we're gonna go to the car. So you know how like the Apple, you could do like a child lock, like a screen lock, so even if you touch it, it doesn't like do anything. It wasn't working. So I was just like, okay, I'll just give you the phone. I gave it to him and obviously he touches it and it's gonna like do something else. So he started crying more because he was getting frustrated. So I was like, okay, let me fix it. Before I was able to fix it, he threw the phone on the floor. It broke off the finger grip and it got stuck on the floor. So I was trying to get that off because I wanted to put it back on my phone. And when I got it off, all the glue like came off. So that was that. So I was really mad about that because, you know, like I really like that grip. So like I was trying to like figure out the phone thing because I was trying to put a lock on it so I could give it to him and then he could stop crying just until we get to the car. He kicks me with one. So he has the sandals on. He has this like one Coco Melon sandals on. He was just kicking everywhere and just he kicked my face, and that just like that just frustrated me. That I was just like right there, just right there. So I restarted my phone, and thankfully the child lock worked. So I gave him the phone, and then he obviously stopped crying. I know this is not a good habit, but I just really didn't have a choice. So we got to the car nice and quietly. As soon as I start the engine and got out of the parking lot, he passes out. So he was tired. I wanted to go home, but drive to home was pretty short. So if I got home, Aiden wouldn't even be sleeping 15 minutes. So I just went out for a drive to nowhere. I just kept driving. And I think he got a 45-minute nap in the car, which I am very thankful for. It's better than nothing. So we came home. And now he's very happy. He had a good meal. We had a yummy dinner. And we are just in our Aiden's bedroom, just getting ready for bed. Gonna wrap up vlogging for today. I hope you guys. So I'll see you guys tomorrow or a few days later. Night night.